Welcome to TDS Online Math. Now, will you say the answer is 1 by saying 9 minus 6 is 3 times 3, 9 divided by 9 is 1? Will you say that? No. Okay, now let's use the order of operation. Okay, it's very important. Now if you want to understand these kind of questions, PEMDAS. So with the PEMDAS, we start with parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, and addition, subtraction. This and that and this and that, they are very important. Now, no parentheses in the question, no exponent, but we have multiplication, division. So multiplication and division. So these orders are of the same precedence. So we start from the left of the expression. So anytime you see this and that, start from the left. So this and that, we start from here. It means this time that. So that will be 9 minus 18. 18 divided by 9. Okay, now let's observe this one carefully. Now we've dissolved the multiplication sign, so left with division, so we have to divide the result. So this and that, as simple as that. That will be 9 minus 2. So 9 minus 2 is 7. All right, so that is that.